2 cups of potato, half cup of cauliflower, half cup of frozen peas, very small amount of beetroot for good color. Now wash them and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Half cup freshly chopped cilantro. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now heat up the oil and roast the bell pepper. Roast the bell pepper for a couple of minutes until it gets softened. Tomatoes. Now add salt to taste. Now let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now tomatoes are cooked, we will gonna add boiled veggies. Mix it well, and now we're gonna add some seasoning. Start with adding some butter. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of dhanajeru powder. 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji Masala. Give it a mix. Use the potato smasher and smash it and make it like a puree. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste at this moment. Because of beetroot we get so beautiful color, we don't need any extra artificial color. Let it cook for some time and then add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now we will transfer it to some another vessel and we will do tadka. In the same pan, I'm gonna add some oil, teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of butter. Once oil get hot and butter gets melted, we're gonna add some ginger garlic paste, chopped onions, some salt. Just make sure you already have added some salt in that veggie mix, so just keep in mind. Half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Pav Bhaji Masala, some cilantro, at last I added some Kassori Methi. Just crush them into the mix. Let's cook onion till it gets softened and translucent. It smells so good. Keep stirring meanwhile. Make sure it don't get stick at the bottom. Now you will see oil is oozing out of the onions. So I think it's ready. Now it is time to add the veggie mix that we have prepared earlier. Give it a good mix. Now we will smash it for one last time. You can adjust the consistency as you require. I feel this is good for me. Otherwise you can add more water. Try to add hot water and give it a taste test so you know like if there is anything you need more, you can add it. I have added a little bit more Pav Bhaji Masala. Now our Pav Bhaji is ready. Let's serve it. Serve it hot. I have some onions, lemon, and you can have it with any kind of bread. And let's top it with some butter. Let's add some lemon. Top with the garlic, onions, and cilantro.